Games that pay through PayPal, gift cards, or digital wallets usually don't require you to verify a bank account before you can cash out. That makes them a better choice if you want to avoid linking your checking account just to receive rewards. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 games that offer digital payout options and what to check before you start playing. First is Mistplay. Mistplay rewards Android users for trying sponsored mobile games and reaching gameplay milestones. Instead of connecting a bank account, you earn units that can be redeemed for PayPal in supported regions or gift cards from popular retailers. Before installing a game, check that it has active reward offers because available titles change regularly. Next is Cashgiraffe. Cashgiraffe pays users for playing featured games, testing new apps, and completing in-app objectives. Rewards can be redeemed through supported digital payout methods without requiring bank verification. Focus on games with the highest reward rates first because they usually provide faster progress toward your first redemption. Third is Scrambly. Scrambly combines mobile games with app offers and simple online tasks. You earn rewards by completing specific objectives instead of simply spending time in a game. The platform supports digital withdrawal options, allowing many users to cash out without linking a traditional bank account. Always read the offer requirements so you complete every milestone correctly. Fourth is Freecash. Freecash includes mobile games, desktop games, surveys, and promotional offers in one account. Many rewards can be withdrawn through PayPal, cryptocurrency, or gift cards depending on your country. Choosing offers with clear completion requirements reduces the chance of missing a payout because of an incomplete objective. Finally, there's Rewarded Play. Rewarded Play lets Android users earn points while playing featured mobile games. Those points can be exchanged for digital gift cards, making it a practical option for people who don't want to provide banking information. Keep notifications enabled because new high-paying game offers appear regularly. One thing to remember is that avoiding bank verification doesn't always mean avoiding identity verification forever. Some payment providers or platforms may request additional information before processing larger withdrawals or to comply with fraud prevention rules. To sum up, Mistplay and Rewarded Play focus on mobile gaming rewards, Cashgiraffe and Scrambly mix games with other earning opportunities, and Freecash offers the widest variety of payout methods. Compare the available payment options in your country before investing time into any platform. If you found this guide useful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other videos covering legitimate ways to earn money online.